Skibidi boppity bee skip boo.
Yo, yo, it's your boy, uh, yeah, it's your boy, Dinosaur Kingdoms here. So, here's the deal. Got some, yep, that is some good thinness. That's me. Look at that. That's handwritten, so you know it's good. It's also a different language. Where's it from? Hold on, let me just... Where is it from, you might ask? Well, none other than the best of the best. Oh my god. That place. Okay, they got it. Not porn. Peilang 103/5. Mu 3. Soy B6. Sapansung Bangkok. Thailand. In a minute! 90210. Look at that. Priority. That's why I received it a month after I ordered it. That's a pretty small packet. And then, yeah. That's some good Thailand. So let's open this son of a bitch up. Well, look at that. It was basically already opened. Thanks a lot, Thailand. Oh, wait. Oh, so it's got staples. So I'm going to have to use the jab method. Alright, I got it. It's open. That's the jab method. Just a quick left jab. Now, I don't really remember what I ordered. This was a month ago. It's still stapled. Well, let's just skip. Alright, there you go. I had to get it a double jab, because, you know, the shits were rolling. What'd I get? I don't remember. Something thin, though. Something, you know, thin like my spaghetti that I made last night. You know, it's not a euphemism. No, that's not right. Okay, what'd I get here? That's not what I ordered. Okay, maybe there's something else in here. Nope. So I didn't get what I ordered at all from Thailand. But, you know, this might be... Oh my god, this is definitely better. This is definitely 100% better. Wow, this is 1000% better. You ready to see it? Not at all what I ordered. Emilio Estevez. See, I don't even remember watching this. The funniest team on ice since, like, oh yeah, that's, you know, that's good, you know, that's good. Here's why it's great. What the fuck is that? Walt Disney Pictures. D2. The Mighty Ducks. Look at that. That isn't even. Is that a language? Beautiful. The Outsiders. What does that even mean? The kid from this. What is. What? Now I gotta find the correlation between all those movies. Here's some more. What? What is Nightmare Before Christmas? Ducks. Ducks. Goodwill Games. USA. USA. I am enthralled. How am I going to put this up so you can see the background, too? The back's the back. I'd rather have the back up than anything else. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Shut the hell up. Thank you, Thailand. You know, I ordered something, and you just gave me something much better. That's just quality. Shit, where am I going to put it? Where's my boxes? Damn it! Something happened to my boxes. I'm going to take a